Hello and welcome to our tutorial on installing a free SSL certificate on your WordPress website. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to ensure your site is secure and displays the padlock icon next to your domain name. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by typing your website's URL followed by /wp-admin into your browser's address bar. Enter your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and find Plugins. Hover over it and a sub-menu will appear. Click on Add New. This will take you to the Add Plugins page where you can search for new plugins to add to your site. To install an SSL certificate on your WordPress site, you have to install a plugin called WP Encryption. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar located at the top right, type SSL. Browse through the list of related plugins to find WP Encryption, a popular choice for installing SSL certificates. Once you've located WP Encryption, click the Install Now button next to it. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, WP Encryption will guide you through the process of generating and installing a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. This involves verifying your domain ownership and configuring your site to use HTTPS. The plugin simplifies this process, making it accessible even if you're not technically inclined. After activation, the plugin may prompt you to subscribe to their newsletter. This is optional and you can choose to skip it if you prefer. The plugin offers two plans, Free and Pro. For this tutorial, we'll use the free plan, which provides the necessary features to set up SSL on your site. Select the free plan to proceed. You'll be directed to a page where you can generate a free SSL certificate. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. This is important because it allows the certificate authority to contact you if needed. Next, you'll see an option to include both the WW and non-WW versions of your domain. It's a good idea to secure both, so check the box to include both versions. Before proceeding, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them, and if you agree, check the box to accept. Now, click the Generate SSL Certificate button. The plugin will start the process of creating your SSL certificate. To verify that you own the domain, you must complete a verification process. The plugin provides two methods for this, HTTP and DNS challenges. We will use the HTTP method because it is simpler and more straightforward. This method involves placing a specific file in your web server's directory so that the verification service can access it. Once the file is detected, your domain ownership will be confirmed successfully. To complete the HTTP challenge, you must upload specific files to your website server. Begin by accessing your hosting account's control panel, commonly known as cPanel. Once logged in, locate the File Manager under the Files section and click on it to open the File Management interface. Inside the File Manager, navigate to the public_HTML directory, which serves as the root folder for your website. If your WordPress site is installed in a subdirectory or as an add-in domain, ensure you navigate to the correct folder. Once in the appropriate directory, click the Upload button at the top of the File Manager interface. Select the required challenge file from your computer and upload it. After the upload is complete, verify the file's presence by refreshing the directory. Finally, test the challenge by accessing the file's URL in your web browser. If the file loads correctly, the challenge should be successfully completed. Before proceeding, make sure that hidden files are visible. To do this, locate the Settings button, usually found in the top right corner of the window. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Look for an option labeled Show Hidden Files and check the corresponding box. Once selected, click the Save button to apply the changes. This will ensure that all hidden files and folders are displayed properly. To properly install the plugin, you need to follow the instructions carefully and create the necessary folders within the public_HTML directory. First, refer back to the plugin's instructions to find the exact name of the folder that needs to be created. Once you have the name, navigate to the public_HTML directory in your file manager. Click on the plus folder button, paste the provided folder name into the designated field, and then click Create New Folder to finalize the creation. After successfully creating the first folder, the next step is to create a second folder inside it. Again, refer to the plugin's instructions for the exact name of this second folder. Navigate into the first folder by double-clicking on it, then click the plus folder button once more. Enter the second folder's name and click Create New Folder to complete the process. Ensuring that these folders are named and structured correctly is crucial for the proper functionality of the plugin. Double-check the names and locations before proceeding further. With the folders set up, you'll need to upload 2 files provided by the plugin into the second folder. Download these files to your computer by clicking on the provided links in the plugin's interface. Back in the File Manager, navigate to the second folder you created. Click on the Upload button, then either drag and drop the downloaded files into the upload area or click Select File to choose them from your computer. Once the files are uploaded, return to the plugin's interface in your WordPress dashboard. The plugin will provide links to verify that the files are correctly uploaded. Click on each link. If the files are accessible, you'll see a confirmation message in your browser. After verifying the files, click the Verify HTTP Challenge button in the plugin. The plugin will confirm that the verification is successful and proceed to generate your SSL certificate. With the SSL certificate generated, the next step is to install it on your server. Return to your cPanel dashboard and locate the SSL TLS option under the Security section. Click on it to open the SSL management interface. Scroll down to the section labeled Manage SSL Sites and click on it. You'll see a list of your domains. Find the domain you want to secure and click the Browse Certificates button next to it. A new window will open, allowing you to paste the certificate details. Return to the plugin in your WordPress dashboard and locate the generated certificate keys. There are typically 3 parts: the certificate, the private key, and the certificate authority bundle, KR bundle. Copy each part from the plugin and paste it into the corresponding fields in the cPanel SSL installation window. Ensure that each field is correctly filled with the appropriate content. After pasting all the certificate details, click the Install Certificate button. cPanel will process the installation and display a success message once it's complete. Now that the SSL certificate is installed, return to your WordPress dashboard. The plugin may prompt you to enable HTTPS for your site. Click the Enable HTTPS button. This will update your site's URL to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. After enabling HTTPS, you may be logged out of your WordPress dashboard. This is normal. Log back in using your username and password. Once logged in, visit your website's homepage. You should now see a padlock icon next to your domain name in the browser's address bar, indicating that your site is secure. It's important to note that free SSL certificates typically have a validity period of 90 days. To keep your site secure, you'll need to renew the certificate before it expires. The plugin may offer an automatic renewal feature, or you can repeat this process to generate a new certificate. By the way, if you're looking for managed hosting that includes free SSL certificates and automatic installation, I personally recommend Cloudways. They make the whole process super simple. Let me show you how easy it is to install an SSL certificate using Cloudways. First, log into the Cloudways platform with your email address and password. Once you're in, click on Servers in the top menu bar. You'll see a list of your servers. Choose the one where your application is hosted. Next, click on the WW icon to view your applications. Select the application you want to secure. This will take you to the Application Management screen. In the Application Management section, find and click on SSL Certificate. Here, you'll see options for managing SSL. To install a free SSL certificate, select Let's Encrypt. You'll need to enter your email address and your domain name. If you want to secure multiple subdomains, you can add them here as well. After entering the required information, click Install Certificate. Cloudways will handle the rest, and within a few minutes, your SSL certificate will be installed. It's that straightforward. With Cloudways, securing your website with SSL is a hassle-free process. If you want to try Cloudways to make SSL certification installation easier, I put the link in the description. Check it out.